Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And before we get into today's unboxing video, I would like for you to please give this video a like, turn that notification bell on so that you can be notified whenever I drop a new video. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So I purchased a budget kit from my amazing best friend, and look at how cute she packages her orders. So I'm just opening up the little package that included the packaging slip and just a cute little thank you card. And now off to the best part, which is the actual product that I ordered from her, which was the budget starter kit. And it came with a few mini envelopes, and they are customizable, which is beautiful. So I customized mine into self-care, date night, shopping, and I forgot the last one, laundry. So I decided to get the custom pink LV design because, hello, I love pink. And look at how cute she designs this. Look at how cute. Look at that. Look at that. It's the affirmation for me. I am woman, beautiful, resilient. Whew, I love it. As for the large envelopes I chose, they were rent, one for me, Edney, one for my baby, Jace, travel, because I love to travel. The next one was business. She also includes an emergency fund little challenge and a $10 saving challenge, which I really loved. You can just get a dry eraser marker and just cross it off as you go. And yeah, saving is always beneficial. So here's where you could get one, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.